Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage stocks with Microsoft, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin managing stocks with Microsoft, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Microsoft Excel application. If you don't have Excel installed, consider using the Microsoft 365 online version. Once in Excel, create a new blank workbook. Next, familiarize yourself with the stock data feature. Go to the ribbon at the top and click on the Data tab. Look for the Stocks feature in the Data Types group. Select a cell where you want to input your stock information. Type the name of a company or its stock symbol. Press Enter to allow Excel to recognize the stock data. Once the stock name appears with a small building icon, click on it. A card will pop up with detailed stock information. You can retrieve additional data by clicking on different fields in the stock card. To add more stocks, repeat the process for new cells. Now, you can create a dynamic stock list. For a deeper analysis, use formulas to calculate metrics such as total value. Input your stock quantity next to each stock entry. Multiply the stock price by the quantity to find the total investment. To keep the data updated, select the stock cells. Click on the Data tab again, and choose Refresh All. Excel will pull the latest stock prices from the web. To visualize your stock performance, select your stock data. Go to the Insert tab and select an appropriate chart type. Choose between a line chart, bar chart, or pie chart based on your preference. Customize the chart title and labels to ensure clarity. Save your workbook regularly to not lose your data. Consider adding notes on your investment strategy in a separate sheet. Utilize conditional formatting to highlight gains and losses. Set up alerts if desired, using Excel's data connections. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.